good, YouTube? Swift One here with you. With my wife, Ashley.
Oh, God.
I look like shit. We just got done eating some hothead, and the rant is over. I got a hold of ProMark today. Damn, I really do look like shit. No, you look a little bit better, I don't know. Got a hold of ProMark today. Spoke to the cat that was working on my drone. I had the ProMark Warrior drone, which is $99.99 through direct ProMark, or if you buy it at Walmart, order it online, however you do it. They are sending me their $299 GPS drone because of my troubles. The kid I spoke to, guess his name is Jackson. That's what I was told. I don't know. Kid's dope, man. Dope as fuck. If you guys decide to go with ProMark and you have any problems, request to speak to Jackson. This kid knows his shit. He knows how to build them. Knows how to fly them. He's A1, baby. A1. I asked him, I was like, what's up with my drone, bruh? He was like, well, I was going to tell you, I was going to send you the Shadow GPS out, but if you want your drone, I'm like, hell nah, bruh. Send me a $300, $200 more drone. I'm cool. I'm happy. I'm happy I spoke with Jackson. Like I said, I wish I could give you guys more information, but I can't. That's all I got is he goes by Jackson. I was to address it ProMark attention Jackson, but my shit should be here in like 2-3 more days. As soon as it gets here, we're gonna have a drone video up. We for real gonna have a drone video up, and I got a hair messing with me. I feel it too. Anywho, yeah, I know, I'm still smoking again. I gotta quit, I know. So you people making the comments, oh, quit smoking, quit smoking. Yes, I know. Yeah. If I can deal with Jackson, every time I gotta deal with ProMark, I really can't say nothing. And like I said, DJI left comments on my videos asking me, you know, what the problem is and stuff like that. And I don't even have a DJI. I'm telling you. ProMark's a good drone. It really is. Customer service sucks. I ain't gonna lie. But I spoke to the tech that actually worked on mine. I'm happy. This is part 5. This is going to be the last rant. The next video you see that involves the Swift One and a drone, it'll be drone footage. That's all I can say. So, take it how you want to take it. I literally spent about 12 hours on the phone today trying to get this thing care of. Time differences. I did hour time difference, 3 hour time. Dude, I talked to so many people. I even talked to DJI today because they reached out and commented on one of my videos. I thought that was dope. Yes, I still want a Phantom. Definitely. The 5. Want it as soon as it comes out. Gonna have it that day. But with that being said, my problem with my drone is fixed. I'm gonna have to learn this one over again. But guess what? You guys are gonna be right there with me as I learn the drone. So like always, it's the Swift One. Please stay humble. I have, and I'm now going to be rocking a better drone than what I bought. Every day is a blessing. It's what you make of it. Stay humble, stay real, stay appreciative. Swift one out.